Gemini. So, 1, 2, and of course, 3. So, let's see mga Gemini natin. So, you have this, no, enemy, lover, no, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, no. So, for some of you Gemini, maybe you are dealing with a fire sign, no. So, yeah, no, there is a specific, no, Gemini here na dealing with a fire sign, no. So, what else? So, I want more of your energy, no. So, yeah, no, literally. So, what else? Trust in me. Yan, no. Kumbaga, this person, no, mga Gemini natin, no, parang, you are, no, kumbaga, parang literally, no, para kayong mga aso't pusa ng person na ito, right, no. At nauubos yung energy mo with this person, no, because, literally, no, palagi kasi kayo nag-aaway, no. Kumbaga, parang nagka-clash kayo, no. But then, still together, no? Kung ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? So, literally, you are drained, no? Kasi nga, parang lagi kasi kayo with the enemy and lover, no? Literally, no? Enemy, parang katulad nung kay Aries, no? Parang ganun, no? So, yeah, Aries din yun, no? Kanina. So, yeah, no? Parang meron dito talaga, literally, no? Lover kayo, and then lagi rin kayo yan, no, napuputol yung ating video, right? No, so, yan, no, mga Gemini, no, so, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no, so, para kayong aso't pusa, no, nag-aaway kayo palagi, right? No, but then, at the end of the day, no, something like that, no, so, nagiging ayos rin kayo, no, so, kung hindi ko nakikita na naghihiwalay, no, may tampuhan, but then, yun nga, no, kumbaga, ubusan ng energy, no, something like that, no, literally, no, nagkakaroon pa siguro ng pisikalan dito, no, but then, still, at the end of the day, no, you are still in the arms of each other, no, something like that, no, so, nakakatuwa rin naman, no, after the chaos of fights, no, but then you are still, no, choosing to be each other, no, so, yeah, kumbaga there is really, I think, genuine love, no? Totoong pagmamahal, no? Something like that, no, with you. And, with that person you are dealing with, no, mga Gemini natin. So, tignan naman natin what's the message or advice for you ng iyong inner self, no, mga Gemini.